Sinotito Maswanganyi la, yabo. Tito Maswanganyi udlala i-attacking midfielder, yabo. The definition of i-attacking midfielder, njengoba idlala i-attacking midfielder Tito Maswanganyi. I-attacking midfielder umdlalo odlala e-center, odlala behind the forwards, yabo. Because sishwele umbona Tito Maswanganyi udlala behind ama-forwards, okumahopa adlale behind abo Mofokeng adlale behind abonkolo. I-role ye-attacking midfielder is to provide goal scoring opportunities to the forwards and providing key passes, yabo. Provide assist. Sometimes bayikorela ama-goal themselves, yabo. So i-attacking midfielder idlala leyo ndima kwi-team, yabo. Most teams anawo ama-attacking midfielder and ku-Orlando Pirates maningi ama-attacking midfielder saba nawo phambilini. I-attacking midfield umsebenzi wawo control igame, i-dictator igame, i-policy igame, mesibona ukuthi igame sihamba. Attacking midfielder ibizwa nge-playmaker ye-team, yabo. Uyakwazi ukuyi-read igame, inama-tactical skills, yabo, and ine-vision yokufunda nje igame nje kade ngichaza nje. So last no Tito Maswanganyi kule scheme se-Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates inama-attacking midfielders ayi-4, yabo. Masibheka lama-attacking midfielders lawa ayi-4 sinodlamini, Kabelo Dlamini Semasong, Kabelo Dlamini ade afika ku-Orlando Pirates wayidlalela i-Bloemfontein League. Mase siba no-Azola Tshobeni wasuka kwi-reserve side i-DDC samlona kwi-JDR Stars, ubuyile kwezimnyama omunye wabadlali abadlala i-role ye-attacking midfield, yabo. Mase siba no-Karim Kimvidi samlanda kuma-Respect United but samthola as a free agent because ma-Respect United ya-relegate waya eZanzibar. Right now isibizwa i-Durban City. Mase siba noThuso Mleleki, yabo. Lama attacking midfielders la musathi ukubheka uThuso Mleleki beno-Azola Tshobeni, you wouldn't trust them that much ukuthi bangaqala kuma-games Orlando Pirates because Orlando Pirates idinga abadlali abadle creative abazoprovide lento ade ngiyichaza, yabo. Provide lento efunwa i-team because the team right now ishort ama-attacking midfielders. You wouldn't trust these two young boys, yabo. Azola Tshobeni benoThuso Mleleki, you wouldn't trust them because uThuso Mleleki sathanda kumlanda kwi-Orbit College, yabo. Yayidlala kwi-Nedbank Cup leyo team le, if I'm not mistaken, wangikhumbuza lapho kuma-comments. And Azola Tshobeni umdlalo sathanda kubuya kwi-loan. You would trust to play uDlamini because uDlamini ujwayele ukudlala kwi-Orlando Pirates but uDlamini akusiyena lo mdlalo ongamqalisa igame. uDlamini umnandi ngempela mumfaka as a sub, yabo. So inkinga ilana-ke, let's say Orlando Pirates ilimalwe lo Tito Maswanganyi, yabo, because sijwayele ukumbona uTito Maswanganyi mengaqali akayiqalanga le game ade sidlala ne-Al Ahly. Sibonile inkinga Orlando Pirates ishoda ngomdlalo o-creative. Ucoach udlalise uMofokeng and uMofokeng asiye number 10 and many people were bashing uMofokeng ukuthi uMofokeng ubozile izola adlalanga kahle uMofokeng. You cannot trust uMofokeng as number 10 because uMofokeng uyi-winger. I-primary role yaMofokeng ukudlala as i-winger. Awu mase sibheka number 10 esayesaba nawo in the past, saba nabo Linda Mtambo, yabo. Saba nabo Teko Modise, if I'm not mistaken, Teko Modise wayidlala as number 10 ku-Orlando Pirates. Njengoba sibona nje naye uDlamini kwese kwadlala ku-Orlando Pirates as number 10 like before eqala ama-games nabo uMakaringi. Before kufika uTito kwakhona labantu labo uMakaringi mfethu, yabo. uMakaringi wayesebenzisa uJoseph Zimbawa. So right now ku-Orlando Pirates I feel like sidinga like ngoJanuary Orlando Pirates miyothenga noma masekuphela isizini kumele izame ukuthola umdlali ozoshintshisana noTito Maswanganyi because right now sinenkinga enkulu kakhulu. Ucoach mengamdlalisa uTito Maswanganyi siba nenkinga because asinayo umdlali ozokwazi ukumreplace. This guy is not replaceable ku-Orlando Pirates. Angazi ngempela ufana njengoSipho China. Esikhipha uSipho China soba nenkinga, yabo. So ngempela ucoach kumele azame ukubheka lapho kwi-league ukuthi ubani umdlali angamreplace, yabo, because ayidinga i-attacking midfield, yabo. Umdlali nje odlala behind the forwards ozoba skillful. Angazi ngangitshela nina ukuthi kahle ubani umdlali esingamfaka instead of uMaswanganyi because uMaswanganyi uyena umdlali esimdinga ku-Orlando Pirates. Yes, angawaluza amabhola eswini. Every player loses balls, yabo. It's part of the game. Kodwa akekho umdlali ku-Orlando Pirates right now kule scheme esinaso odlalisa kwaTito Maswanganyi, yabo. Ngangcono kube khona umdlali odlalisa kwakhe because sinayo uNkota, sibe nayo Saling, sibe nayo uMofokeng, sibe nayo uTladisa. Yize uTladisa engajwayele ukudlala kakhulu but uTladisa benoMofokeng ungasho ukuthi banawo ama-similarities singesazi ke phela. Abanye abantu babuka ngokungakufani. Mina ukubona kwami uTladisa unawo ama-similarities kuMofokeng, yabo. I wish ithuba ngalithola umfana but ngangitshela nizizwa kanjani ngale ndaba le ukuthi uTito akekho replaceable kwiOrlando Pirates. Mina I feel like we need another player yabo ozolwisana noTito Masuangane, because you wouldn't trust the young boys Azola Jobeni benoThuso Mleleki noma sekuyisikhathi kumele sibanike isikhathi, like sekumele sibanikeze ithuba, because I think they do deserve ithuba lokuthi badlale nabo sibabone ukuthi okay right now sishoda abadlali abazolwisana benoTito ubani abasingabafaka between the two of them yabo. Ngiyakhumbula wangena uThuso Mleleki if I'm not mistaken sidlala neChippa United isaqala isizini yabo. I didn't see much of him yabo, because if you saw ucoach introducer uNkota, ucoach introducer uNkota and wazama uNkota ukuthi adlale ngempela ngosikazi sidlani eMagesi FC. That was the first appearance uNkota siyibona, and uThuso Mleleki i-first appearance yakhe wayithola ngosikazi sidlani eChippa United, and he didn't use that opportunity to show ucoach ukuthi umdlalo okumele adlale ngempela yabo. So angazi ngempela ubani esingamthemba, and wazola Jobeni yabona nje angazi ngempela bafethu. Ngangitshela ukuthi ubani umdlali Orlando Pirates engamthenga yabo onga replace uTito Masuangane. Angifuni vele a replace uTito Masuangane, but we need another player esingathembela kuyena ukuthi okay mekulimala uTito, this guy can raise his hand and get the opportunity and play yabo.